Hi everyone, Miss Emily here from the Fairfield Public Library. If you missed our virtual event this week, we made paper plate marble mazes. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make one at home. To make a maze, you will need a paper plate, a pencil, scissors, 4 to 6 straws, a marble, and glue or tape. First, take your pencil and draw your maze design on your paper plate. Here is an example I created earlier. In my design, I have a start and end, various paths for the marble to roll down, and some blocked off paths. These are just some ideas you may be interested in having in your design. Here I have my maze sketched out. I am now going to take one of my straws and cut it to one of the lengths I need. To do that, hold up the straw to one of the lines you drew and cut it at the correct length. So I need about to here. I'm going to cut the straw. It is now time to adhere the straw to the paper plate. If you are using glue, you could put a small line of glue where you need it and then press down the straw. Of course, you would need to let your maze dry before you could test it out with your marble. If you are using tape, just hold the straw in place and tape it down where you want it. I will be using glue dots, so I am going to take one, press it down on the line that I drew, and then take my straw and press that right on top of the glue dot. Continue to cut your straws and adhere them to the paper plate. Of course, you can change your design slightly as you're putting it together. Here are all of my straws on the paper plate. I also labeled the start and end. If you have some stickers, you could add those to your maze as additional obstacles. For example, I have a sticker here of a mermaid sitting on a rock in the water. If you roll over that sticker when playing the maze, you have to start over at the beginning because your marble fell in the water. You could make up your own obstacles and rules just like that one and add stickers or draw them onto the paper plate. My maze is complete, and I'm now going to take my marble and test it out. There we go. Thank you for watching. Have fun making your own paper plate marble mazes.